Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam won't log in even when you have the correct email and password. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, sometimes this can be an issue because the Steam servers are actually down. Simply open your browser and write steamstat.us. And then from here we can see that the servers currently are online, but this can sometimes be changed, so that might be the problem. In case it's still online, then you're going to search for Steam. Then from here right click and then go to open file location, right click again and then go to properties. From here go and make sure that the compatibility is run this program as administrator. Now from here we're going to search for date and time, and because sometimes your computer might have a different date and time from your IP connection or Steam itself, so that can ruin the login process. Make sure to set the time automatically. Then you're going to search for VPN and make sure that there is no VPN that's currently working, either locally or one that you downloaded from the browser. Now, if that doesn't work, you're going to search for Windows Defender Firewall and go to there. Then from here, go to Allow an app or feature. Then you're going to search if Steam is there. You're going to change settings. If it's not there, or if it's already there, you can remove it. And then allow another app, browse, and then search for wherever you downloaded Steam. Now, if you need to find your Steam app, then you can simply search for Steam, right click, open file location, then do that again. Then from here, we can find the application and then going to close it and paste it right there. As you can see, we're at the file and then we're going to search for Steam and then open and then add it. And then make sure that both boxes are ticked for private and public and then click on OK. Now, finally, we're going to search for run and then we're going to search for percentage sign local app data percentage sign. And then from here, we're going to search for Steam. And then once you find the Steam file, you're going to right click and then go to delete. Now, if none of those solutions work, then you're simply going to search for apps and features, search for Steam, and then from here, you're going to uninstall it and then re-download it and install it again. And hopefully that helps work out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.